Ba ay naghanap ng property na malayo sa ingay ng BC Metro, pero accessible ito sa Metro Manila? If yes, don't skip this video. This is Pau Pipito, your home search buddy. Modern single-attached minimalist house at may option for basic finish at complete finish turnover. May minimum lot size na 72 square meters, kaya naman may provision tayo for one carport. Available din ang ating lot only for as low as 4,000 monthly sa Pag-ibig. Alam mo ba na ang advantage ng ating single-attached bungalow ay pwede tayong magpa-expand up to 2-story? Nasa loob din ito ng isang gated, secured, exclusive community with resort-style amenities gaya ng jogging path, basketball court, rock climbing wall, outdoor bicycle and children's playground, reeling station, 2-story Tropicana clubhouse at swimming pool with slides. Flood-free area kaya tamang-tama ito for residential, retirement, Airbnb rental business. Available through bank financing and Pag-ibig for as low as 9K monthly. At ang ating lot only na may lot size na 80 square meters ay 4,460. At ang ating lot only na 96 square meters ay 5,350. Limited slots na nga lang ang available, kaya naman send me direct message para ma-schedule na natin ang exclusive house viewing mo. So, bye-bye!